What's up, buddies? Hey buddies, thank you for watching this video. If you watch this video, it's because you want to make money online. And then if you want to make money online, it's because you want to help your wife and family to have a very good quality of life, which is something very, very, very awesome. And you should keep up, buddy. Okay, fellas, let's speak a little bit about making money online. Let's speak a little bit about. First, before I start, let me give you this quote, okay? Getting a mentor is the shortest way to success, okay? This is a quote from Bo Sanchez, is an author, okay? Yeah, okay, guys, let's speak a little bit about make money online, the best way to make money online. As I told you guys before, the best way to make money online, guys, it is to find a mentor. You guys need to find a mentor. You guys need to find someone who is already success on the road that you want to succeed. That's how you guys gonna have the opportunity to be successful. Like for example, Benny Urquidez. The greatest uh, the greatest world kickboxing champion. Like for example, he how can I say, before when he started to do kickboxing, before he started kickboxing, he was how can I say, a student of Chuck Norris. That is something that you gotta understand. He was a student of Chuck Norris. Because Chuck Norris at that time he was successful in martial arts, in karate. So he started with Chuck Norris. Those kind of things. You have to do the same. You want to be good online and making money online, especially on this terrible moment of the pandemic. The best way for you to do it is to find a good mentor. You need to find a mentor that help you succeed on on the road that you want to succeed by. You cannot just go around and try to do this on your own. And when you find a mentor, it gotta be someone that is constantly answering questions. He's constantly, like for example, he's constantly on YouTube, like for example, on Facebook, and on YouTube, on Facebook, he's constantly answering questions. He has a lot of followers. When a follower asks him one question, he answer it. You need to find this kind of mentor. Or like for example, when you buy his product, you're gonna have the opportunity to, how can I say, get a consultation with him. Or a consultation with somebody that work for him. That like this, they can advise you how to do it properly and correctly. You gotta find people like this, and the mentor that you're finding, it has to be someone that he has already success. He has already success. Don't don't just find, well, it is like this. You either find someone that is successful or someone that it is already starting to get the kind of success that you want to get. you know that's how you want to do in this business. Make sure that you have a mentor. Go on YouTube, check, scroll, all these kind of things. First, know your niche. Because you gotta know your niche. You cannot just go around and say that you want to be successful. No, you gotta choose your niche. Whether is your niche is making money online like me, wealth niche, or your niche it is which other niche it is, the entertainment niche, or your niche it is relationships or something like this. You need to find your niche. Once you know your niche, you go inside and then you see who are the champions on this niche. Once you get a champion on that niche, then you start to follow him. Follow. You see a lot of teachers, good teachers, successful teachers, and then pick one. Pick one, okay? Pick one, follow, study their methods, and then make a decision to apply which method, okay? Don't be a follower, be a student. Be a student, okay? Don't just follow blindly. No. Study everything, study from the beginning from the beginning until the end, and then after you make a decision. Okay, buddy? Okay, guys. Write your comments below and subscribe to my channel and check the link below so that you can make money online in a very effective way, buddy. And click the like button, share this video, and subscribe. And I'll see you in next video, buddy. Bye.